Good morning, Indran.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Hari teacher පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? Chamalika teacher. hari නේ පටන් ගමු නේද? හොඳයි හොඳයි.
Hari sir. Right. Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Right. Good morning. Can you see the board?
Yeah.
Right. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, right? Which is coming for your exam compulsorily. That is graphs, right? So when we are talking about graphs, what are the factors you know? What are the points that we can talk about graphs? Can you see this chart? Can you see? What is this? What is this, children? Can you see this?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Can you
Excuse
see?
me.
What is this?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse me, teacher.
Oh.
කැමරාව චුට්ටක් පොඩ් එක පේනවා පොඩ්ඩක් අර දිලිසෙන ගම වැඩි පොඩ්ඩක් මේ එළිය වැඩි කමක් පේනවා චුට්ටක් මේ කැමරාවත් තව චුට්ටක් ලං කරන්න පුළුවන්ද බලන්න ටීචර්.
කැමරා
ඔය කියන්නේ මේ බෝඩ් එකයි කැමරාව අතර දුර පොඩ්ඩක් අඩු කරන්න ටිකක් දුරින් වගේ පේන්නේ.
දැන් ඇතිද?
ඔව් දැන් හරි. හරි අන්න ඒ වගේ හරි.
Right. Now what can you say? What this chart shows you? So you better draw this chart quickly in your writing books.
Teacher, can you read out the values? Kind of
Right.
blur kind of thing
Okay.
is shining, I guess.
Yeah, the cricket, right? Cricket, 35% of children. So in the pie chart, you should separate it like 35% of students are interested in cricket, right? So you have to draw it like that. Then Elle, 20%. And volleyball, 15%. Football is also.
Sorry teacher, ඔයාගේ white board එක අපිට පේන්නේ නැහැ white board එකේ circle එක පේනවා අඩුයි. ඒ අකුරු ටිකක් පේන්නේ නැහැ. percent ඒවට පේනවා අඩුයි teacher. පේන්නේ මෙලෝඩියක් පේන්නේ. කිසිදක් පේන්නේ නැහැ ටික. නේද teacher?
The same thing. Right. Now the question regarding this pie chart is a survey was conducted at Rahula Vidyalaya. Right. Now I am going to show it throughout the PowerPoint. Can you see? Oh. Children, can you see? Please respond. Otherwise,
Yes,
I
madam.
don't know whether you got it or not. Samay kata karanna.
pie chart එකයි පේන්නේ.
PowerPoint වලින් share කළානේ ඒක ආවේ නැද්ද question එක? අපේ
හරි.
indicate වෙනවා. Oh. Right.
හරි චමිදු පේනවා.
All right. Right. Now, can you see the chart clearly? The same chart you drew.
Without the
That is
name.
the chart that you told me that is the chart you told that which is not clear for you. So can you see this one?
චමිදු,
Oh, madam.
we can see the chart but without the name of the sport.
But sports can be
The
seen
sport, the
the
names
right
of the
side of the.
sports are separately given, madam.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
On the right side of the pie chart, the games have been given
Right.
with the colors, right? Okay. Right. Now go through the first question. So this is the first question I have already prepared regarding pie charts, right? So in such a situation, if you got a question like this, how are you going to tackle this? Children, please respond. Is there Sandamita? Sandamita? How do you begin this? Please tell me. How are you going to start? Firstly, you can see clearly the number of sports indicated in the chart, right? So you can say how many sports events are here? How many? How many?
6 sports are here.
Cricket, Elle, volleyball, football, hockey, and chess. 6. Right? Altogether 6 sports, 6 games are here. So you can write in the pie chart there are 6 games demonstrated, right? And then you can see the names of the games clearly. So you can write the names such as the names are or the sports are cricket, Elle, volleyball, football, hockey, and chess, like that. Name them. While discussing, you should be able to write the answers, right? Mama then discuss karna athare ogollo liyagena yanna ogollonge thiyena pothe, right? So you can name them. And then the majority of the children are interested in what?
Cricket.
Yes, the majority of the students are interested in cricket. And what is the percentage? The percentage is
35%.
yes, 35%. The percentage is 35%. Then the least interested game is what? The lowest percentage is shown in?
Okay.
Yes, the least interested game is hockey by the students. So you can write the percentage. The percentage is 5%. And the second most interested game is what? After cricket?
Elle.
Yes, Elle. The second, how do you write it? The second most interested game is Elle. And the percentage of that game is 20%. Yes, then what can you see about volleyball and football? When you are writing such an answer, you should cover all of these. Then only you can get the whole marks, the whole 10 marks, right? Then what can you talk about volleyball and football both?
Equal percentage.
Yes, the regarding volleyball and football, there is an equal percentage. Right? There is an equal percentage regarding volleyball and football. The percentage is, you can write the percentage as the next sentence. What is the percentage?
$15.
15%, right? Yes, 15%. And you can compare. Then we didn't talk about chess. It was ignored, but we should write. So we can make a comparison between chess and hockey. Then tell me, how are you going to compare it? When we are talking about chess and hockey, how are you going to compare it? Nimsara, is there Nimsara?
Yes.
Nimsara, then tell me the answer.
Okay, what's the question?
How are you going to make the comparison between chess and hockey?
The sport chess is more popular than hockey.
Yes, chess is more popular than hockey. So we can see the percentages as chess. People, students who are interested in chess, the percentage is 10. And regarding hockey, the percentage is 5. So many people are interested in chess than hockey, like that. So that is the end of the first question. So complete it. I'll give you only 1 minute. In your textbook, page 56, activity 10, there is a lesson regarding pie charts, based on pie charts. So, I'll give you this activity to do it as homework, right? Study the following pie chart. It shows the percentage of time spent on different activities by a grade 11 students. Write a description about the chart. Right? So in your textbook, in page 56, you can find this activity. Do this activity as homework, right? Right, children. Now, Right. Now can you see? Children, when you are writing a graph, when you are writing a composition about any graph, maybe pie charts, maybe bar graphs, or maybe Venn diagrams, or maybe some answers regarding tables, right? You should use these words and phrases. Now, can you see the special words and phrases used when we are writing such a graph? Can you see, children?
Yes, teacher.
Right. What is the first? You should pay your attention to the highlighted words and phrases like this. First one, tell me the first one.
According to the details given in this graph.
Yes. According to the details given in this graph, when you are writing the first sentence, you can write the first sentence. It means you can begin the graph like that. According to the details given in the graph, we can see these things, right? So these equal things can be seen, and the lowest things and the highest things, and the most popular things and the least popular things, and everything can be seen according to the details given in the graph. So that is it like that. And point 2. Tell me the point 2, Minim Sarah. Sandamita,
Yeah, teacher, I'm here.
are you sleeping?
No, I'm here.
Huh? Then what
Yesterday,
is the second point?
actually, yesterday I didn't.
Only a few.
I said,
Where did you go? In the curfew period?
no. Yesterday I had a meeting to.
With Mr. Sisira.
Yeah, but I had another meeting.
Yes, I heard your voice.
With I got up now. That's
Yes,
why.
I heard your voice. Right. What is the second point? Only a few. So regarding the previous chart, you can use this point, only a few, in when you are describing about hockey and chess like that. Only a few, right? Very few people, very few students are like these things. Then when you are describing these points, you can use only a few, the small amount, right? Next one, an equal number of. So you met volleyball and football like this, the same amount, the equal number of. So when you are writing such a situation, you can use the equal number of for these things. Then you can get marks when you are using these terms. They know you know the ways of writing. Right? And more like that. That is a comparison. I asked you to compare chess and hockey. Then Nimsar gave me the answer comparing chess and hockey. So in these situations, you can use more like that. So you have to write all these things. Using all these things, you can make another composition, another very good answer, better answer you wrote now when you are free at home, right? So the other point is, as a percentage it stands at. So when you are talking about the percentages of these all games, you can use this term, this phrase. Now children, can you see the screen? Now I am giving you another homework. The following pie chart tells you about what students in your class use the internet for, right? For their studies and all the other things, there are some students who are using internet. So likewise, the chart is based on that. So you have to write a description based on the information given. So when you are writing such an answer, you have to use nearby 100 words, right? So the entertainment is 35%. The students who are using internet for entertainment, right? 35%. That is the majority, no? Right. And for communication, 15%. Can you see the pie chart?
Yes,
Children,
teacher.
can you see the pie chart? Yes.
Yes, teacher.
So entertainment, yes. Is there any problem? Right. Entertainment, 35%. Communication, children are using internet for communication, 15%. And for educational work like we are doing, 27%, right? And for information, to get information. Sometimes I ask you to get information throughout the internet like that. Some students are using internet. That is, the percentage is 14%. And online ordering like that, 10%, that is the least amount. Least number of children, right? So you have to use all the words and phrases I introduced you before and write a better answer using this chart at home as homework. You should do all these, right? And let's move to Venn diagrams. When we are talking about graphs, yes? Is there any problem?
No,
Children,
teacher.
can you see? Can you see?
Yeah, teacher. Can see.
All right. The next point we are talking about graphs is Venn diagrams. Now you go through the question silently when I'm reading it. You go through the question silently when I'm reading. The following Venn diagram shows the different games played by 30 boys. Can you see the Venn diagram? Children, can you see the Venn diagram?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. The following Venn diagram shows the different games played by 30 boys of grade 11B. Right? So you have to study the diagram and write a description about their choices. How they choose their games. The following words will help you, right? In a box, can you see the word list? Only, most, least, none, less, both, and any. Can you see?
Yes,
Yeah,
teacher.
we can see.
Yes. When you are writing the answer, you have to use these words when you are writing, right? So, what can you see throughout this diagram? What can you see throughout this Venn diagram? Firstly, you have to name the games. What are the games? How many games? And what are the games? How many games are there?
3 games.
Yes, there are 3 games. They are volleyball, cricket, and hockey. You have to begin like that. Firstly, you have to write the names of the games and the number of games. Then after that, you can say, according to the details given in the Venn diagram, how many students like to play volleyball?
Students.
Hmm?
15 students.
Yes, 15 students like to play only volleyball. But there are 4 more students like to play volleyball and cricket. Then altogether, 19 students are interested in playing volleyball. Did you get it?
Teacher.
Yes. Then when you are talking about cricket, what can you say? I need an answer from somebody who are from grade 11F or E. 11E or F.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Venn diagram isn't displayed.
You can't see.
Yes, I can't see.
Can you see?
Yes, yes.
Right. Then tell me how many students are interested in cricket?
There are
12
8 students.
Hmm?
12 students.
12. You can calculate as 12 because
Yes,
there are some students who are interested in both volleyball and cricket. That is 4. And only cricket. Those who are playing only cricket, 8. So you have to calculate 8 plus 4. How many?
12.
Yes, altogether 12 students are playing cricket. Did you get it, Nimsara? Sandamita?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Then you can say there are only 8 children who are playing only cricket. You can use the word only. Right?